Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your date of birth in the Snapchat app after already having that restricted. Please friends, subscribe to our channel, put your likes, write your comments at the end of this video. And let's you and I get started. So friends, let's you and I open the Snapchat app. Next, click on your profile picture. Next, at the top, click on the gear. And then if you click on the birthday section and you click on date, you'll see a calendar at the bottom where you can change either the month, the date, or the year, and thus change your birthday. But here at the top it warns us that this can only be done a limited number of times. If you've already exceeded that number of times and you've already got a limit on this action, you will no longer be able to change your date of birth in this way. Then you'll need to take this, shall we say, workaround. You'll need to go back to your Snapchat settings, then scroll down until you find the support section. And then I need some help. Now scroll down until you see this section and click Contact Us. Now right here in this list, you will need to select Help with Snapchat feature. Then you'll see the next list where you'll need to select Profiles and Communities. Then in the next list, select My Profile. This step will load everything up a little bit. Now you'll see a window like this, where you'll be asked at the bottom if you still need help, and you click Yes. After that, you'll need to enter your username and your email. And next you will need to describe your problem. For example, you can write Dear Team or Snapchat Support, please change my date of birth, and write on when. The only thing is, you will 100% need to send some sort of documentation that proves that this date is indeed your birthday. It might be a passport or it might be a driver's license, whatever you feel comfortable with. And after you send your request to the Snapchat Support Center, they will contact you. And after that, you will be able to change your date of birth in the Snapchat app. Friends, I really hope this video was helpful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, put your likes, write your comments, and see you soon.